In forests, deserts, grasslands, and even cities, a quiet hunter watches from the shadows. With sharp eyes, silent wings, and a head that can turn almost all the way around, the owl is one of the most powerful and mysterious birds in the world. Owls have been symbols of wisdom and mystery for thousands of years, but they are not just clever, they are built for survival. In this episode of Wild Wonders, we'll follow the owl into the night and discover how this silent predator hunts, lives, and raises its young. Welcome to the world of the owl. Owls can be found almost everywhere on Earth, in forests, deserts, grasslands, tundra, and even cities. There are over 200 species of owls around the world, and each one is specially adapted to its own habitat. Some owls live high in the treetops, while others prefer burrows underground. The snowy owl lives in the frozen Arctic tundra, blending into the icy landscape with its white feathers. The burrowing owl makes its home in open fields and prairies, often taking over tunnels dug by other animals. In dense forests, the great horned owl hunts silently between the trees, using its excellent camouflage to stay hidden. Most owls are nocturnal. They hunt and move at night, which helps them avoid competition with daytime predators. Their quiet flight and sharp eyesight make them perfect hunters, especially in low light. The owl's body is built for stealth, power, and precision. Let's take a closer look at what makes these birds such incredible hunters. One of the owl's most famous features is its head. It can turn up to 270 degrees. That's because owls have extra neck vertebrae, allowing them to look almost all the way around without moving their bodies. Their big, forward-facing eyes give them excellent depth perception, which helps them judge distance when hunting. But here's the secret. Owl eyes don't actually move in their sockets. Instead, they rely on turning their heads to scan the world around them. Owls also have amazing hearing. Some species, like the barn owl, have unevenly placed ears, which helps them pinpoint the exact location of sounds, even in complete darkness. Their feathers are specially designed for silent flight. The edges of their wings are soft and serrated, which breaks up air as they fly and lets them swoop down on prey without making a sound. Strong talons and a powerful beak help them catch and hold on to their meals. Their grip is so strong they can snatch prey right off the ground or out of the air. Owls may be quiet hunters, but their lives are full of fascinating behaviors. Most owls are nocturnal, which means they are active at night and sleep during the day. But not all owls follow the same schedule. Some species, like the snowy owl, are diurnal, hunting in the daytime, and others, like the short-eared owl, are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. Owls spend a lot of their time perched high above the ground, watching and listening carefully for any movement below. When hunting, they glide silently toward their prey, and their powerful talons do the rest. Owls often swallow their food whole. Later, they cough up a pellet, a small ball of fur and bones that contains the parts they can't digest. These pellets give scientists clues about what owls have been eating and help us learn more about how they live. Owls communicate too, using hoots, screeches, whistles, and even soft clicks made with their beaks. Each species has its own calls, and some owls use these sounds to claim territory or attract a mate. Owls may be silent, but they're full of surprising facts. Some owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, but never a full circle. Barn owls have some of the best hearing of any animal, able to hear the tiny sounds of a mouse moving in the grass. Owls have soft, specially shaped wing feathers that let them fly without making a sound. Owl eyes are so large that they take up most of the space in their skull, and, well, they can't move their eyes like we do. Baby owls are called owlets, and they hatch from eggs just like other birds. Owls are powerful hunters and masters of silent flight, but even these incredible birds face challenges. Many owl species are losing their homes as forests are cleared for farming, roads, and towns. Some owls struggle when the balance of their ecosystem changes, like when their prey becomes harder to find. Pesticides and pollution can also harm owls, often by reducing the small animals they depend on for food. But there's hope. Conservation groups are working to protect owl habitats, create safe nesting areas, and educate people about these amazing birds. Scientists study owls closely, tracking their numbers and learning what they need to survive. And by learning about owls, just like you have today, you're helping too. Let's remember what we've discovered. Owls live in many places, from deserts to forests. They hunt silently, using sharp senses and clever adaptations. They play an important role in the balance of nature. These wise, watchful birds deserve our care and protection. Thank you for exploring with us. Until next time, keep wondering.